people, that is amazing. An air rifle that hits an animal that hard. I cannot believe what I just saw. That is amazing.
There's actually a lot of different animals, too many to count, that a man can pursue with an air gun in Africa. I am proud to be able to take this journey to pursue kudu and sable, among other beasts. But there is something very special about taking a mature, one-of-a-kind warthog with an air gun. It might not be the biggest, it might not be the boldest, but definitely when it comes to grit and determination, an animal where every scar has been earned. But this little king has carved out his spot in the dark continent. It is the warthog.
Wow. Wow.
Are you convinced of the air gun now?
I'm a believer. I'm a believer.
Everything about that animal spells Africa. And one I am proud to chase with my air gun.
Look at this thing. Wow. That's a big fish. That is a big fish.
Oh, thank you, Cristo.
Heavy pick, big pick. Let's see what that shot did. So on this side you broke the shoulder and the spine there together. That's a bullet sitting.
Oh my, yes.
Just underneath the skin, perfect. So we got all the penetration we needed and you didn't lose any kinetic energy. It's all inside the pig because it didn't blow.
They're just a picture-perfect staple of Africa. And to do it with an air gun, and to shoot one less than 50 yards, is already tough enough as it is. And I could not be more proud and more excited than to be in this moment, right here, right now,